Well, the evidence in chief is still ongoing. It's ongoing, and then maybe by tomorrow, when they would have been done with the witness, we will now know whether or not to ask questions or allow him go.
Finish the case.
Well, it is the case of the prosecution. We will not suggest on how they will conduct their proceedings, but I know so far so good, they're on the right track.
Appreciate it. Your name, please.
Mr. Efut Okoye.
Yes, I called the first witness who is able to give the procedure for awarding contracts in the Minister of Aviation. That's what we do today. So tomorrow we'll continue, we conclude, and he will be co-examined. That's where we are. No. It's not. We are not going to waste any time. Arraignment was done last week, and we already started, and we'll continue tomorrow. Thank you.
All right, thank you, sir.